Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to my channel to learn Excel. Today we are going to discuss about the if formula. There are four formulas that are if formulas. You can see that the series of if formulas. These formulas to be used when conditions are attached with the results. Okay. If the condition is met, so the result will be true. And if not met, result will be false. Both results are given in formulas. And which formula we can use? Here are summaries about the formulas. You can see that if formula, when we use if formulas, when one condition is attached with the result. Number two, if plus or formula. If two conditions are attached with your desired result, but one of two condition is met. There is no necessary that two conditions to be met in order to get the desired result. If one condition met, results will be given accordingly. Number three, if and formula. In this formula, similarly, two conditions are attached, but the difference between these two formulas, both conditions must be met in order to get the desired result, which is true. If if one of conditions are not met, result will be false. Number four, nested if. More than one conditions are attached and the results of each conditions are different. How to use these formulas? We will discuss about these formulas in detail with the examples so that you can get the entire understanding of if formulas. I recommend you to please watch this video till end so that you can get the entire understanding of these formulas. So start. Here are four sheets I have already prepared for you. If formula. How to use if formulas and what are the criteria to be used if formulas. You can see that there is a table containing four columns: that, employee's name, basic salary, and increment. And the condition is here: basic salary must be greater than or is equal to 20,000. If this condition is met, increment will be given. Otherwise, increment will not be given. So how to use this formula? We start this formula is equal to if this salary greater than is equal to 20,000, comma. If condition is met, what will be the result? In what is comma? Yes, comma. If this condition is not met, what will be the result? In what is comma? No. Bracket close. It means if basic salary is greater than or more is equal to 20,000, increment will be given, result will be yes, otherwise no. You can see that here is 15,000 salary, so the result will be no. If I change this salary, basic salary, you can see that 25,000, result will be changed accordingly, yes. I want to copy this formula rest of the cells. So I just copy this formula and select rest of the cells and use shortcut key Control V to paste this formula. Yes, there is some mistakes I have already made. I typed manually 20,000 and now I copy this formula and paste it. Now you can see that result will be shown according to the formula. This salary is not greater than is equal to 20,000, so result will be no. This salary is more than 20,000, result will be yes. Now I can assure that you understand how to use the if formula when one condition is attached here with your result. Number two example, in this example, we will going to cover two formulas, which is OR and if formula. I have already told you the difference between these two formulas and what is the definition of if plus OR formula and if plus AND formula. First of all, we use if plus OR formula. It means two conditions are attached, associated with your desired result, but it's not necessary that both conditions must be met. If one of two conditions is met, result will be true. It means your desired result will be given. Otherwise, no. How to use this formula? You can see that how to use this formula. First is equal to if, bracket open. Then we use second formula, which is OR formula, or bracket open. Now we are going to associate the condition with our desired result, which is first condition is C2, that is manager, is equal to should be the manager. If it means employee must be manager. Second condition is basic salary greater than or is equal to 20,000. There are two conditions. First condition, employee must be manager, and the second condition, basic salary greater than or is equal to 20,000. If one of two conditions is met, result will be yes, otherwise no. You can see that the Kamran is the manager, but the basic salary is not more than 20,000. So ultimately the result will be yes, because the one condition is met. Yes. Okay. Supervisor. It's a supervisor. And second condition, you can see that he is the manager. He is the manager, and his basic salary is 20,000, 22,000. Both conditions are met. Is that yes? And you can see that he is a clerk. He is a clerk. He is not a manager. First condition, employee must be manager. He is not a manager. It means the first condition is not met. But the second condition, which is basic salary must be greater than is equal to 20,000. And you can see that the basic salary greater than 20,000. And it means the one condition is met, the result will be yes. I hope you can understand how to use this formula. I just copy this formula and apply rest of the cells. And you can see the results according to the conditions. The second formula, which is if plus AND. In this formula, both conditions must be met in order to get the desired result. Otherwise, result will be false. How can you use this formula? You can see that if formula, bracket open. Now we use the other formula, which is AND formula, bracket open. Both conditions are attached. What condition? Employee must be manager. And the second condition, his basic salary must be greater than or is equal to 20,000. If both conditions are met, the result will be yes, otherwise no. You can see that he is the manager, but the second condition, 15,000. 15,000, which is less than 20,000, result will be no. And the second thing, you can see that he is a manager, and the second condition, what the second condition? Basic salary must be greater than 20,000. Not met. The result will be no. But here he is a manager, and the second condition, basic salary more than 20,000. Both conditions are met. Result will be yes. I hope that you can understand what is the difference between these two formulas. And the last formula, which is nested if formula. How can we use this formula? In this formula, we have a different multiple criteria. If the employee is manager, bonus will be 5,000. If the employee is supervisor, bonus will be 3,000. If the employee is clerk, bonus will be 2,500. Otherwise, 2,000. In this in this example, we have a multiple criteria. If we have a multiple criteria, We have to use the nested if rather than other formula, which is if and if or. Okay. How can we use this formula? We use this formula if is equal to if formula bar is open, C2, which is designation. If this designation is equal to manager, result will be 5,000, comma. Then second formula is open, if formula. If this designation is supervisor, bonus will be 3,000, comma. It means both conditions are given. And the third condition, what is the condition? Third condition, if designation is clerk, bonus will be 2,500. If these three conditions are, one of these three conditions is not met, result will be 2,000, which is peon. Okay. We use three formulas in one formula bar. If formula, if formula, if formula. Remember that all formulas bar will be closed at the end of the formula. You can see that we open this formula bar, number 2, number 3. But these three formula bars will be closed at the end of the formula. Okay. Now we can see that he's a manager. The bonus will be 5,000. He's a supervisor. Bonus will be 3,000. Manager 5,000. Clerk 2,500. And I use here peon. When I type peon, you can see that the result, what is the changes in the result? 2,000. It means our formula is working. I type supervisor, you can see the result will be 3,000. I type manager, result will be 5,000. It means formula is working. I hope that you get the clear understanding about these four formulas, which is if formula. It's a very useful formula. I I recommend you to please do practice of this formula so that you can get the entire understanding of this formula. If you like this video, please like like my video and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notification of my future videos. Let's see you again with the knowledgeable more videos. Till then, see Allah Hafiz.